Soldier Army music covers originally done by this one here is originally done by this great song is originally done by this cover is going to be originally done by Cascada. Every Time We Touch, originally done by Cascada, the original song. Now I'm Marco. I'm going to do a cover version of the song. You're going to be totally blown away. This is Every Time We Touch, originally from Cascada. I'm not the original singer. I own none of the rights, but I'm going to blow your mind with the way that I do this cover. Thank you for watching. All right, here goes. I still hear your voice when you sleep next to me. I still feel your touch in my dream. Forgive me my weakness, but I don't know why. Without you, it's hard to survive. 'Cause every time we touch, I get this feeling, and every time I kiss, I swear I can fly. Can't you hear my heartbeat fast? I want this to last. Need you by my side, and every time we touch, I feel the static, and every time we kiss, I reach for the sky. Let me hear my heartbeat slow. I can't let you go. Want you in my life. Your arms are my castle, your heart is my sky. They wipe away tears and I cry. The good and the bad times we've been through them all. You make me rise when I fall. 'Cause every time we touch, I get this feeling, and every time we kiss, I swear I can fly. Let me hear my heartbeat slow. I can't let you go. Need you by my side. 'Cause every time we touch, I feel the static, and every time we kiss, I reach for the sky. Can't you hear my heartbeat slow? I can't let you go. Want you in my life. All right, guys, wasn't that just awesome? Thank you for your support. Thank you for voting me as president. No, just kidding. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Can't thank you guys enough. Um, totally love performing for you guys. All right, on to more sensational Marco covers. Having fun with you guys. The season finale or the finale of Halloween of my special. All right. All right, have fun, guys. Be safe on Halloween. Have a total blast. Enjoy yourself. All right, you deserve it. Okay. All right. Thank you. All right, bye. Till the next video. More to come from Marco. Thank you.